Apple makes gorgeous hardware, but out of the box, macOS is missing some brutally obvious features. And if you go looking for solutions in the App Store, you will immediately be hit with ridiculous $10 a month subscriptions just for basic system utilities. Today, we are bypassing the paywalls and fixing your Mac for free. I have dug through the open source community to find 10 absolute elite tier applications that completely upgrade your daily workflow, and they will never cost you a single dime. Let's supercharge your workspace. App 1. The Ghost File Killer AppCleaner. Whenever you try to delete an app by just dragging it to the trash, it leaves behind gigabytes of hidden cache and junk files deep in your system folders. AppCleaner is a tiny, lightweight utility that solves this completely. You drag the app into its window, and it hunts down every ghost file associated with it, permanently wiping them. It has been free for over a decade, has 0 ads, and is mandatory for keeping your SSD spotless. App 2. The multitasking fix, AltTab. The default app switcher in macOS is deeply flawed because it only shows you generic app icons, which are completely useless if you have 5 different browser windows open. Alt plus Tab brings elite Windows-style window switching to Mac. It gives you actual live visual thumbnails of every single open window on your machine. It is completely open source and an absolute must-have for multitasking. App 3. The Menu Bar Cleaner, Hidden Bar. If you are installing apps, your Mac's menu bar will get incredibly cluttered fast. Instead of paying for a premium tool like Bartender, download Hidden Bar. It is an ultra-lightweight, open-source utility that tucks all your messy, overflow icons cleanly behind a simple, collapsible arrow. Keep your workspace looking strictly professional. App 4. The Compression King, Image Optim. When developing mobile applications, managing massive image assets can absolutely kill performance. Image Optim is the ultimate compression king. You just drag and drop any image into the window, and it aggressively shrinks the file size by stripping out invisible metadata, without losing a single drop of visual quality. It is significantly better than macOS's built-in compression tools and 100% open source. App 5. The Simple Clipboard Copy Clip. It is completely baffling that macOS still refuses to give us a native clipboard history. Copy Clip fixes the absolute nightmare of copying over a crucial link you needed. It sits quietly in your menu bar and remembers the last 50 things you copied. It is dead simple, highly effective, and completely free. App 6. The Modern Media Player, IINA. Go ahead and delete VLC right now. You need to download IINA. This is the undisputed best video player for modern Macs. Because it is built natively in Swift, it feels exactly like an Apple-made app, completely supports the MacBook notch, and will effortlessly play literally any file format you throw at it. It is faster, cleaner, and completely open source. App 7. The Text Expander, Espanso. If you find yourself typing out the same email addresses, hex codes, or response templates all day, stop wasting your time. Espanso is an open-source text expander that uses a simple trigger system. You type a quick keyword, and it instantly drops into your pre-saved paragraph. Best of all, it is entirely privacy-first. It operates locally, meaning your private keystrokes are never sent to a cloud server. App 8. The Productivity Tracker, Activity Watch. Most time-tracking apps either sell your data to advertisers or lock your productivity insights behind a premium paywall. Activity Watch tracks exactly which apps and websites you spend your day on, so you can see where your time went. But because it is open source, all of your data stays locally on your actual machine. It is the only way to get deep workflow insights with 0 privacy risk. App 9. The Time Zone Slider, Zone Bar. If you work with remote teams or international clients, scheduling is a massive headache. Zone Bar is a native, incredibly fast world clock that lives right in your menu bar. Its killer feature is a time travel slider that lets you scrub forward in time to see exactly what hour it will be for your client before you actually book the meeting. App 10. The Focus Tool, One Thing. Created by legendary Mac developer Sindra Sorhus, this app does exactly what the name implies. One Thing lets you put a single, bold line of text directly into your menu bar. Whether it is your primary goal for the workday or a crucial reminder, it is the ultimate no BS focus utility to keep you from getting distracted. And just like that, your Mac is officially a power user workstation, and you didn't have to spend a single dollar. And just like that, your Mac is running faster, cleaner, and leaner than the day you bought it. But having a perfectly optimized machine is only half the battle if you are still bleeding money every single month on bloated software subscriptions. You absolutely do not need to pay a massive monthly fee to get professional-grade work done on your Mac. Click the video on your screen right now titled Best Free Mac Apps That Replace Expensive Paid Software. I'm going to show you the absolute elite tier 100% free open source tools that completely replace the ridiculously expensive industry standards. Click right there to cancel your subscriptions and protect your wallet. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you over in that video.